welcome back to That Juan Show. Hey, it is about 4 o'clock in the morning, right around 65 degrees, and I am heading towards Keaukaha. Today we are pouring 240 freaking plus yards, over 10,000 square feet for a big old huge warehouse slab at the Conan's Transport down in Keaukaha. But that's what's going on for today, just one big major freaking slab. So come along with us on some more concrete adventures. All right. Yes, sir. Oh, careful, Andrew. Careful, careful. Careful.
The footing is like 4 feet.
Yeah, she's deep. Toasted on this thing. Huh? I was gonna drag it over here and then turn it on.
Looks like we got a piece of shit on the bottom of this blade anyways. Dude. Got like a... I wonder if it's that broke blade right there. Looks like there's a big old chunk out of it. Yeah, hey, I graduated, you know? Oh, thank you, thank you. Always come down your wall line this way first. Makes it easier to do a turnaround. See that? Come out like 2 feet, just like you would if you're hand troweling. You come down to the bottom of your last one, your last run when you went the other way. Come back on it. That way you don't raise no edges. Make it lift up, you know, because you're cutting the corners too hard. So make sure you're filling up all your footholes. Leaving no holes behind. See that nice easy turnaround right there? A little bit of sprinkles, give us some more time on that power trowel. I think we got a 16-footer, huh? Don't we? No?
That's the longest screed we got in the truck.
The 12-footer?
About 14.
What's up? elbow troweled off. All the tools cleaned up. Yes, sir.
Truss, baby.
Alright everybody, we have made it to the end of this video, and let me tell you what, I actually had a pretty good freaking day. Let me tell you, the concrete was freaking good. Everybody at work was in good spirits. We got hit by a couple little rain showers, but it never got amounted to anything much, you know what I mean? And the most important part of the day is today is actually me and my wife's 26-year anniversary. You know what I'm saying? So here's to my wife. I love you, Lisa. Here's the 26 years to being together, and hopefully until we're freaking dead. You know what I mean? But let me tell you what, if that shows you anything, I am freaking dedicated. There's only one other thing that I've been doing this long, and that's concrete. And so I guess I have two loves: concrete work and my wife. But she's more important, you know what I mean? And I'm heading on home to her. But anyways, like I said, and like I always say, once again, I really hope you guys like my videos. And if you do, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. All right.